The mind is extremely powerful. If you have a positive outlook on life, you're more likely to deal with stress and other challenges well that come your way. The same applies to money. If you have negative thoughts about money, it's more likely to hold you back. I believe my financial success since I started my money journey in 2018 is 80% mental, 20% learning, knowledge, and action. You have to be motivated to learn, you have to be excited to put that knowledge into action, and you have to be passionate to stay consistent. Thoughts influence action, action influences results, especially financial results. You're absolutely, positively capable of rewiring your beliefs around money. Today, I'm going to show you how by leveraging money mindset hacks. And stick around because they do get progressively more unique, interesting, and impactful. Especially the last hack today. I think it's a total game changer. Number one, create a goal in the present tense. Smart goals are one thing, but sometimes they feel unrealistic or too far off to stay top of mind and exciting. So instead, turn that goal into a positive present tense statement. It almost sounds like a daily affirmation if you do it right. For example, I'm so happy and grateful I now earn X amount of money a year and save X% towards retirement. My family is able to live the life they deserve because I purchased the perfect home for us. I've earned my time and freedom back because I created 5 passive income streams on my road to early retirement. Give this a shot. See the future. Speak it now. Make it happen. Number 2, identify your triggers or weaknesses. Shopping wise, it's definitely Costco for me. For you, it might be Target or Amazon or Whole Foods. Other people have a subscription addiction or they can't resist the candies and magazines at the checkout stand. Others go nuts spending at the airport on little luxuries when they travel as a stress coping mechanism. Some parents completely love spoiling their kids to an unnecessary level. Even Instagram can be a time suck that leads to shopping via ridiculously targeted, accurate ads. We all have weaknesses that cost us money. Identify yours, own it, and make a decision to overcome it or avoid it altogether. Number 3, take a serious break from social media. As a bonus, it'll likely keep more money in your pocket, whether you realize it or not. I just mentioned Instagram ads as an example. Facebook works the same way. I don't really get Twitter or TikTok, but I'm sure those apps devour other people's time and money. Plus, there's the comparison aspect. So seeing your friends or family on epic vacations might spark an impromptu weekend away or over-the-top vacation planning. You can pause your accounts. You can make it harder to access them by removing your saved passwords. You can bury them in a folder away from your home screen like I do so that it's out of sight and out of mind. You can even use settings on your phone to limit your daily time on each social app. Or of course, you can just delete the apps altogether. Let me know which social media app or site is your weakness. I keep hearing Twitter and TikTok a lot from friends, so I would be super curious to know yours. Number 4, adopt a student mentality. And I love this one. Many of the best entrepreneurs and investors read. For example, Bill Gates and Warren Buffett read a lot. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year, while Warren Buffett reads around 500 pages every day. Yes, 500 pages daily. An easy place to start is by reading a personal finance book. Pick one up that can change your money mindset and motivate you to overcome your situation or continue growing your wealth in new ways. Admittedly, some finance books are scary and rely on fear tactics. Others are really in-depth and overwhelming, so avoid those. Find something positive that speaks to you, something personal, something full of practical advice you can actually follow. And speaking of, I just described all 3 of my books, so let me quickly plug those. I wrote The Money Resolution for Beginners. Money You Can Hack It is for those on their way to a 6-figure net worth. And Save Half, Retire Fast is for those seeking financial independence in early retirement. All 3 are available on Amazon. It's my best financial advice distilled into 3 beautiful books, if I may say so myself. So yeah, check those out, links below. Number 5, think of money as a person you're in a relationship with. And okay, this is gonna get a little bit weird for a moment, so bear with me. I once heard someone give advice saying, treat your mother as you do your best friend's mom. And that's funny because when I reflected on it, I did realize, yeah, I'm super nice to all my friends' parents. What if you did something similar and treated your money as if you were in a relationship with it. Now, technically, we all do have a relationship with money, which can be a healthy relationship or not. But when you look at it as a person, you realize you can grow together. You can create memories with one another. If you treat it well and keep your money happy, it will return the favor. Write letters to it, express gratitude towards it, look forward to spending time with it, and even accept gifts from it from time to time. I actually believe this stuff after reading the book Happy Money by Ken Honda, and I definitely recommend that book to satisfy that student mentality. See, it got weird, but hacks can get weird. But you know what they say, it's only weird if it doesn't work. Or at least I think that's what they said in some commercial. Let me know if you know what that's from. Number 6, give some money away. There might not be a better reminder about the purpose of money, how it can help people, and how fortunate you are than donating money, even a small amount, to a cause. Even better, the benefits actually go beyond that. I came across this in research for a video. Studies show that any act of altruism, a selfless act for others, is connected to positive physical and mental effects. According to the Cleveland Clinic, this includes lower blood pressure, increased self-esteem, less incidence of depression, lower stress levels, and even longer life and greater happiness. Yeah, sign me up for all of that. Giving a little can actually mean getting a lot back. Giving feels good, and as a side effect, you benefit mentally and more. If you're a person that gives or donates often, I would love to know if those studies resonate with you. Number 7, find your flow state. If you've experienced a flow state while working, running, reading, painting, or any other activity, you know what I'm talking about. It's a state of optimal performance where time seems to melt away. You're at peak productivity. You have no stress, and your output feels like it's 5 to 10 times normal productivity. A 10-year study showed you're 500% more productive in a flow state. That means you're 1,000% more productive if you hit flow twice a week, if my math checks out. Finding flow is a mental money hack because tapping into it often can lead to financial wins. If you're an entrepreneur or a leader or a boss at work, you know how huge this can be. Flow gets you promotions, and if you're a creator like myself, it can be a secret weapon if you know how to tap into flow often. Flow is the reason I put out videos weekly now for years. A video used to take me 20 hours. I've gotten it down to 6 or so. It's because I know myself and when I should work on these videos to be most effective. I figured out I like to take Monday and Tuesday off to ease into my 9 to 5. On Wednesdays, I come up with my video topic and title, then I research and write. It's when that sense of urgency kicks in, and then I film and edit on Thursday nights. And you know what? Sometimes my week gets away from me and I do it all on Thursday, top to bottom. And when that happens, I always hit this flow state and I can deliver the video with better quality and in half the time. It's the pressure and time crunch plus a good playlist that initiates that flow state. Finding flow is my favorite money mental hack to tap into, and I aim to reach it for top performance daily during the work week. All right, it is easy to listen to these steps and move on and forget about it, but don't. Internalize these and put them into practice. It's the only way to find out what works for you. As you do, you will exude more positivity and experience more financial success. Eventually, you'll realize that earning that amount of money that you want, or getting that dream job, or getting out of debt, it's not just possible or probable, it's practically inevitable. Have an awesome week or weekend ahead. Like and subscribe if I provided value or motivation today. And if you want more of my thoughts on flow state, check out this video next, or you might dig this video if you want more money mindset tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there, or I'll see you next week on the next one. Thanks.